Okay, guys. So today, inshallah, we'll do some sheets together. If you guys still have any questions, you can ask me anytime. So you can stop me anytime and you can just ask me, okay? And please stick to the end so I can take all your names at the end of the session. Okay, guys?
Okay.
You hear me well, right? You can hear me
Yes.
well, right? Okay, so let's start with this simple one. Let me pick a name first from the wheel. Okay, here we go. Okay, we have Muaz. Do we have Muaz with us today? Do we have Muaz with us today? No, Muaz is not with us. He didn't join yet. Let me pick someone else. Let me pick someone else. Let me pick someone else. Okay, we have Muaz now. He's joining. But I will pick someone else till Muaz joins us. Okay, we have Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman.
Yes.
Yes, Abdul Rahman Kareem. Okay, Abdul Rahman, would you like to answer the first one? It's so simple.
Yes.
Okay, so you can tell me how to order these organisms. Can you see?
Yes.
So what are we making now? What is this? What are we making now? What is this called? Yes, it's a food chain. Well done. Yes, Abdul Rahman. So can you tell me what should I start with?
Plant, then the deer, then
yes,
the lion.
The plant, then the deer, then the lion. Yes, well done. Thank you so much, Abdul Rahman. Okay, let me move into a little bit a bigger one. Okay, let me move into a bigger one. Okay, we have Layla. Do we have Layla with us? Do we have Layla? No, we don't. Let me go pick someone else. Okay, Yusuf. Do we have Yusuf with us today?
Yes.
Yes, Yusuf. Would you like to start? Do this next food chain.
Okay.
Okay, so this one is a little bit bigger, contains more organisms, as you can see.
First thing is the plant.
Yes, the plant. And then what? Yes, first it's a producer. Well done. Yes. Then what? What should I put next?
Then the grasshopper.
Yes.
First level consumer.
Exactly. Yes. Thank you so much, Yusuf. First level consumer. Well done. So anything that comes after a plant is called a consumer. We have the first level consumer here, which is a grasshopper. Then we'll have a second level consumer. Can you tell me what its name? Which one should I put next?
The frog.
The frog. And then, yes, the frog. And then the hawk. Well done.
The eagle.
Yes, the eagle. So the eagle here is the predator, right?
Yes.
Yes. Guys, is the frog a predator too in this case?
Yes. I think it's
yes. Yes. So it's a predator because it's feeding on the grasshopper. But eaten by the eagle or the hawk, now it is a prey. So can you see how a predator can become a prey at some point? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Yusuf. Now let's move to someone else. So guys, try to be ready if your name comes on the screen. Okay, we have Jaida. Do we have Jaida today?
Yes.
Yes, we have Jaida?
Yes.
Okay, Jaida, would you like to do this next food chain?
Okay.
Okay.
First, we start with the plant.
With the plant, yes. This is wheat, actually. Huh?
And after we will start with the mouse.
The mouse, which is the first level consumer, yes.
Consumer. And we will make the snake.
Snake, that's right. And then?
The owl.
The owl, that's right. Well done. Okay, guys, so can you see that all the chains start with a producer? Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes, what comes after the producer could be a herbivore like the deer and the grasshopper, or it could be an omnivore. Exactly, like the mouse in here. Okay, so whatever comes after producer, all the animals or all the organisms that come after producer are called consumers. We have a first level consumer, the first level consumer like the deer, the grasshopper, and the mouse. And then we have a second level consumer, which is like the lion in this case, the frog in the second one, and the snake. And then we have a third level consumer, which is the owl and hawk in this case. Do you guys have any questions about this part?
No. No.
Okay, let's check if it's right or wrong. Can we check? Let's check if it's correct or not. Yes, we get 10 out of 10. Well done, guys. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, so we have a food chain right now, obviously. We have the light of the sun, which is the beginning of the energy source, the ultimate energy source. Remember this?
Yes.
This is where the energy comes from the beginning,
Yes, yes.
even before plants. And then producers, or plants in this case, take all this energy from the sun and turns it into food they need. Yes, they turn it for food so they can use it to get the energy they need, okay?
Okay.
After the producer, we can have a consumers then. In this case, we have rabbit and zebra. Both of them are herbivores. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes. Does it always have to be herbivores?
It can also be an omnivore.
Exactly, yes. Thank you so much, Rugmini, for being active today. Thank you so much. But guys, I'm only hearing Rugmini talking. Where are the others?
I'm here.
Yes, I want to hear you all talking like Rugmini in here, okay? So Rugmini is participating really well. I want everyone else to do the same, okay?
Okay.
Okay. After the consumers, we have another consumers because, as I said, whatever comes after producer is called a consumer, but we have different ones. Here we have the lion, the tiger, the wolf. All of them are consumers, but they are called
Consumers.
yes,
Carnivores.
carnivores.
Vores.
Once they die, what happens?
The decomposers eat
Exactly, yes.
the
They
dead
start,
animals and plants.
yes, exactly. They start to break down. Yes, to break down by the decomposers in here. And then these decomposers actually get all the nutrients and the energy found in this dead animal back into the soil so producers can use them again as nutrients. Remember, guys, when we say that plants use carbon dioxide from the air and
Yes.
water from the soil, and sometimes they need nutrients also.
Yes.
Yes, to make them more, to make them healthier. Okay.
Yes.
We have examples of decomposers like mushrooms and bacteria and some
Mushroom and
worms.
bacteria.
Yes, and some worms. Okay. Okay. So I need you guys to listen to this really well. Okay.
Okay.
We'll listen first and then we will do it together. So let me mute all of you in order to don't have any noise in the background. Okay. So guys, hear this really well. Just let me share the sound, the computer sound first. Okay, hear this well.
All living things are part of a food chain. Plants are called producers. They absorb light from the sun and produce energy. Animals are called consumers. Animals that only eat plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. Animals that eat plants and animals are called omnivores. Decomposers are mushrooms and bacteria that transform dead animals into mineral salts.
Okay. Do you guys need to hear this once again?
No.
Okay, so can we do it now? Let's start with someone else.
Yes.
We have, who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Okay, we have Hamza. Do we have Hamza with us today?
Yes.
Yes, Hamza. Would you like to start with the first sentence?
Okay.
Do you need
Plants
to hear it again or you just can do it now? Okay, so we can read from the beginning. All living
things are part of the food chain.
Exactly,
Plants are
yes.
called producers.
Producers, yes, well done. So let me write producers down. Okay. Now, let me pick someone else that can continue the next sentence. Okay. We have Iyad Adil. Do we have Iyad Adil with us now?
Yes.
Yes, Iyad Adil. Okay. Iyad, would you like to read the next sentence? They absorb. Yes.
They absorb light from the sun and produce energy. Animals are called contributors.
They are called what?
Uh,
It's okay. You can read it from here if you want. Consumers. Again, repeat it after me, Ayed. Well done, it's right. But can you repeat the word after me? It's called consumers. Consumers. Can you hear this?
Consumers. Okay.
Consumers, yes. Okay, let me write consumers down. Okay, well done. Then we have animals that only eat plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. Let me pick someone else to answer the next question. Okay, we have again Ed Adel. Ed will skip you, of course, this time. Okay, we need someone else. Okay, we have Omar. Do we have Omar with us? Omar? Omar
Yes.
Mu'taz, yes. Would you like to answer this one, ya Omar? Read it and then
Yes.
answer it? Okay. Can you read animals that eat plants? Can you read this one?
Animal that eat plants. Animal that eat plants and animals are called omnivores.
Exactly, yes.
Mushrooms and bacteria are called
Yes. What do you think we call them?
decomposer.
Exactly, yes. Well done. Decomposers, because they decompose the dead plants and animals. They break them down.
Yeah.
Posers. Okay, well done, guys. Let's move to this. It's also another food chain. Okay, but in this food chain, we will, label the animals up to whether they are producers, consumers, or decomposers. Okay. 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 Thank you, Alma. Thank you so much. Let me move to someone else. Okay, we have Farida. Do we have Farida Sharawi with us today? Farida? No, she's not with us today. Let me pick someone else. Okay, let's see. Muhammad. Muhammad. Do we have Muhammad with us?
Yes.
Yes, Muhammad. Would you like to answer the first one? The first food chain?
Of course.
Okay. So let's start with the first one. What should I put in this one? Here. What should I write here?
This one.
Yes.
Producer.
Producer. Thank you so much. Yes. What about the next one? Yes.
This one should be consumer.
Consumer. Exactly. Yes.
And the last one should be decomposer.
Yes. Do you think it should be decomposer?
Of course, no.
No. I mean, are you sure about your sentence?
It's.
I mean, you have to be sure about your answer, Muhammad. Are you sure about this answer or not? So this doesn't have to be a food chain again. Maybe it's just we need you to label the animals, because as you can see in the next one, they are not a food chain. Like they are not a regular food chain. It doesn't start with a producer. So in here, he needs you just to put if it's a producer, consumer, or decomposer. This is not a food chain.
I know. Yes.
Yes. So can you tell me what do you think a grasshopper is? This is a grasshopper.
A consumer.
A consumer. Well done. Thank you so much, Muhammad.
Because it's not a mushroom or a kind of bacteria.
Yes, exactly. Yes. Or it's not even worms. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, let's move to someone else. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Okay, we have Omar again. Now skip Omar because he answered before. Let me pick someone else. Okay. Yes, Sulaiman. Mustafa Sulaiman. Do we have Sulaiman with us today? Do we have Mustafa? No, we don't. Yes, we don't. Okay, let me pick someone else. Okay, we have Muhammad again. No, let's skip him. I'm sorry, Muhammad, because he answered before. Okay. Okay, now we have Iyad Tamer. Do we have Iyad? Yes, I can see his name. Do we have Iyad with us? Iyad Tamer. Edu. Do we have Edu with us today?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. Would you like to answer this one? Okay.
Oh, yes.
Now, tell me, what should I write down there over the snake?
He is the consumer.
Consumer. Yes, that's right. Okay. What about the mushroom in here?
It's the composer.
Decomposer. Yes,
Decomposer.
that's right. Decomposer. That's right. Well done. Now the last one.
It's not the producer.
It's not a producer. Yes, of course. Well, it's an eagle. Can you see it?
It's a secondary consumer.
Well, it could be third level consumer also, so you don't have to say which level is it, but you just only tell me whether it's a producer, consumer, or decomposer.
No, it's only a consumer.
It's a consumer. Well done.
I only say it's secondary because it looks like one.
Well, because this is not a food chain again, just they're showing you some organisms, and you tell us whether they are consumers or producers, okay? Or decomposers.
Oh.
Thank you so much, Ayad. Now let's move to the next question. Those are choices. Okay. Let me see who's next. No, Ayad, I'm sorry, you'll have to move to someone else because you already answered. Layan. Do we have Layan with us today? Do we have Layan with us today? Okay, Layan. Would you like to answer? Would you like to answer the first one? This one. Okay, so choose the right answer.
Yes,
so you
sure.
have here a food chain starting with a hazelnut, and then squirrel, and then a fox. Okay. Okay, Layan. Would you like to do the first sentence?
Yeah, producer.
Yes,
The
the hazelnut
is a producer.
a producer. Yes, well done. Okay, let me move to someone else. Okay, who else? Who else? Who else? Tahir. Do we have Tahir with us today? Tahir, yes, I can see his name.
Yes.
Yes, Tahir. Would you like to answer this one? The fox is a producer, consumer, herbivore, or consumer carnivore? What do you think the fox is?
Carnivore.
Yes, it's carnivore. Consumer, but its type is carnivore. Well done. Okay. Yes, we have Omar. We asked Omar before. Okay, let's see who's else. Muhammad, we asked him before. We need someone else now. Someone new. We asked Tahir before. Okay. Farida. I think Farida is not with us, right? She didn't join. Yes, I searched her name before. Okay, now he's picking people again. I hope he will pick someone new. Okay, we have Adito now. Adito, yes, someone is asking a question. Yes, Yamalak. What are you saying? Because I can't hear you.
Because she is sick and she's in Cairo.
Okay, I hope she will be fine soon. Thank you, Malak, for telling me. Okay, Adito, would you like to answer this one, the last one? So easy for you, I know. Adito, I can't hear you well if you're talking, because I think there's a problem in your mic. Adito. Adito, can you hear me? You keep on talking, but I cannot hear you.
Miss Adito said his connection is low.
So I think he needs to fix his microphone. I don't know. Okay, Adito, can you answer me again, please? I can't hear you well. Guys, can you hear him? Guys, can you hear him?
No, I can't hear him.
No, I can't hear you. Okay, Adito, you can send it to me in a message if you want. If you're having a problem with your microphone. Okay, no, Adito, I think there is a problem with you. We'll have to skip you. I'm so sorry about this. But I will come back to you again if you fixed your microphone. Okay. We don't have Sulaiman with us today, unfortunately. Basil, do we have Basil with us? No, Basil is absent today, unfortunately. Let me move to someone else. Okay. No, we had Adel answered before. Muaz, did Muaz answer before?
No.
Muaz, okay. Okay, Muaz, you can answer the last one. No, he said no, I believe you. Okay, the squirrel is a producer, consumer, herbivore, or consumer carnivore. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, Muaz.
A consumer.
Yes, which consumer? You have
Herbivore.
two consumers. Yes, herbivore, exactly. Let's check if this is right or wrong. Now, do you think guys will get the full mark or not? Yes, we did. Well done, guys. Okay, Miss, I can't hear you at all. Okay, Adito, I don't know. Maybe you're having a problem. Guys, can't you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, I hear you.
You all can hear me?
Yes, we hear
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'm sorry, let me just answer Adito first. All of your friends can hear me. Okay, guys, Mash, give me time. Okay. Try to sign out again. Sign in again. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, let's continue. Now the next worksheets. Do you guys like it? Like today's worksheets?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's watch a video first and then we can continue, okay? Okay, okay.
How different organisms eat each other for survival.
Mm-hmm.
A food chain or food web?
Yes, well done. Let's move to the next one. Thank you so much. Yes, Abdurrahman, you raise your hand. Do you want to say anything? Okay, thank you. Mistake. You made a mistake raising your hand, right? You didn't mean to raise your hand. Guys, if you have any questions, you can stop me anytime. Okay?
Miss, I didn't mean to raise my hand.
It's okay. I'm asking you if you have any questions. Okay, we have Hamza. Do we have Hamza with us now? Hamza?
Hi.
Yes, Hamza, hi. Can you answer this one?
Miss
Okay,
Hamza answered before.
Yes.
Really? Did Hamza answer before? I don't think so.
Yes. Yes, I
Yeah.
did.
Okay. Okay, Hamza, can we skip you? I'm so sorry about this.
It's okay, don't worry.
Okay, thank you so much, Hamza.
Yeah.
Thank you
You're
so
so
much. Thank you
sorry.
for understanding. Okay, we have Wahba. I don't think Wahba answered before.
Yes, he didn't answer.
Yes, okay,
No, he
Wahba, would you
didn't
like to
answer
answer this
before.
one, number 2?
Okay.
Okay, it says the chain. Can you read it?
Okay, the chain usually starts with a plant and ends with an animal.
Okay, yes, that's right. Well done. Thank you. But try to read all the choices again, okay? Next time. Okay, Wahba?
Okay.
So just make sure that this is the right answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Wahba. Thank you so much, Wahba. Now let's move to someone else. We have... Okay, Basil. Would you like to answer the next question, ya Basil?
Okay.
If you're having a problem, it's okay. You can wait for the session and answer next time. Okay, so it says here, a food chain is made up of producers, consumers, and decomposers. Draw a line to match the following things to their role in the food chain. Okay? So what do you think the trees will be? Where should I match the trees with? Should I match it with consumer, decomposer, or producer, or consumer? Yes, Basil, I can't hear you. What do you think the trees are?
Consumer.
Are you sure they are consumers? So they have to eat to get the energy?
Decomposer.
No, Basil, you need to go watch the previous sessions, yeah, Basil, okay? I don't know what's wrong, but it's not true. It's going to be producer. Okay, I'm sorry about this line, strange line. Okay, now let's move to someone else. We have Basil, please. If you have any questions, you can stop me, but go watch the previous sessions, yeah, Basil, okay? And try to study next time. If I ask you, I know you will answer well. Okay, Basil? Because we've been with a lot of we've done a lot of sessions about this part, yeah, Basil. So we're supposed to know the answer by now. Okay, Basil?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, we have Reem. Do we have Reem with us today?
Yes.
Okay, Reem. Would you like to answer this one? Human. What do you think a human will be? What should we match it to? What do you think? Is the human consumer, decomposer, or consumer?
Decomposer.
Humans are decomposers.
No.
Okay, why would you pick it if you don't? You know it's not the right answer then. What do you think a human is? Yes?
Consumer.
Yes, consumer. Okay, let's move to the next one. Guys, please try to focus. I can see some people are a little bit sleepy today. Okay, Farida's not with us. Let me pick someone else. Okay, we have Aysel. Do we have Aysel with us today?
No.
No. Okay, let me check someone else. Muhammad, no. Muhammad, you answered before, right?
Yes.
Muhammad, you answered before. Well, he insists that you will answer the next one. Okay, Abdulrahman, did you answer before?
Yes, I answered.
Okay, Abdulrahman. Let me move to someone else. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm picking people that do not answer at all. Yasin is not with us today. Reem answered already. Okay, still picking people that you already picked before. Hobby will be. Okay, we have Jenna. Do we have Jenna with us today?
Yes.
Yes, Jenna.
Yes.
Okay, Jenna, can you answer this one? Earthworm. What do you think an earthworm will be? Can you guess? Do you think the earthworm is decomposer or consumer? I can't hear you, please.
Decomposer.
Decomposer, yes, well done. Okay, so guys, we have only 2 minutes. So, what do you think mold of fungi? Can you see who's next? We only have 2 minutes left. It has to be a little bit faster. Okay, Omar answered before. Okay, guys, can we answer this together? What do you think mold or fungi is? This is actually fungi.
Decomposer.
Yes, it's going to be decomposer. What about the birds? Obviously, they are consumers. Yes. Well done, guys. Yes, they are consumers. Well done. Okay, we'll continue those next time because we only have 2 minutes left.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, I will have to take your names. That's why we left with 2 minutes.